Morning everyone. How is everything? I trust that everything is well. I am so happy to come back again. We are pleased to welcome our online class. So let's get started my online class. Firstly, I will introduce the topics. We are here to discuss about persuasive speech. We know that what is persuasive speech. We are elaborate in my class this option and this grammar item. We know that persuasive speech is each of word of a sentence or speech is called persuasive speech that have different function. We know that there are 8 parts of speech in English such as noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Dear learners, for your better understand, I have written these lines on the board. Please look at the board. Dear learners, please look at the board. Here I have written chapter 5, lesson 3. We have to know that what is persuasive speech. Each word of a sentence or speech is called a parts of speech because they have different functions. We know that there are 8 parts of speech in English, such as, let's look at the board. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, verb. Number 4, adverb. Number 5, adjective. And number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. And number 8, interjection. Dear learners, now I elaborate this grammar option. We have to know there are 8 parts in the persuasive speech and we have to know these 8 parts. Now I elaborate these 8 parts of the persuasive speech. Firstly, I have shown noun. What is noun? We know that noun means name of anything is called noun. And for an example, Maria, girl, Dhaka. And secondly, I have shown pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun equivalent. It is the replace of noun. For an example, I have shown here I, he, she, me, it, etc. Dear learners, we have to know this option clearly. Dear learners, thirdly, I have shown verb. We know that what is verb. Here I have written a verb is a word or group of words that is used to describe an action, state or occurrence. Example, read, do and work. And fourthly, I have shown here adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies or qualifies the meaning of a verb adjective in the sentence. For an example, quickly, carefully or extremely. Dear learners, I have known that everybody clear this option. There is no confusion. Dear learners, please look at the board. Here I have written adjective. We know that what is adjective. An adjective is a part of speech that modifies a noun or a pronoun by qualifying, specifying or describing it. For an example, great, good and some. And next I have shown or I have written prepositions. And we know that what is prepositions. By the word preposition means position something before something. A preposition is a word placed or positioned before a noun or a pronoun. For an example, I have shown here for, of, on, at, in, etc. Dear learners, clear this option? Dear learners, finally I have written conjunction. We know that what is conjunction. A conjunction is a part of speech or word that connects and one word to another word. The conjunctions are and, but, so, or, for, yet, etc. And finally, I have shown interjection. We know that what is interjection? The part of speech that expresses strong feelings, emotions or sentiment is called interjection. For example, I have written here, oh, hooray, hey, etc. Dear learners, this grammatical option is very easy. Learners, I have finished my lesson. I expect that everybody has practiced at home regularly and you have to read attentively. And I think there is no problem and this option is very clear and is very easy. So, dear learners, don't stress, do your best and forget the rest. May your works or ideas be successful. Allah Hafiz.